Understanding warm-up match, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, warm-up match. Whether you're a sports enthusiast or just keen on expanding your English vocabulary, this video is for you. Let's dive in. A warm-up match is a type of pre-competition game or event in sports. It is played before the main event or tournament. The key purpose of a warm-up match is not just to win, but to prepare players, both physically and mentally, for upcoming competitive games. These matches are less intense and often used as a strategy to gauge the team's performance and work on weaknesses. Warm-up matches play a vital role in sports. They help in reducing the risk of injuries by allowing players to get physically acclimated. Additionally, these matches are crucial for team building and strategizing, as they provide a real game environment without the high stakes of a competitive match. It's a safe space for players to experiment with techniques and build confidence. In everyday English, warm-up match can be used metaphorically. For instance, if someone says, "This quiz is just a warm-up match for the final exams," they mean it's a preparatory step. The phrase emphasizes the idea of preparation and practice before a significant event or challenge. Understanding phrases like warm-up match not only enriches your sports-related vocabulary but also gives you an insight into the cultural aspects of language. We hope this video has shed light on this interesting phrase. Keep practicing, and remember, every learning step is like a warm-up match for mastering English. See you in our next video.